Hello everyone, today I will demonstrate you how to crochet newborn baby hat. The texture is very easy to do, so let's get started. Now I'll be chaining 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'll join with slip stitch to create a ring. Chain 2 do not count as double crochet and I will make 12 double crochets into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll join with a slip stitch now to the first stitch. Then for this round one I have 12 double crochets. I will make chain 2 and this is not a double crochet. And now I will make 2 double crochets into the first stitch and 2 double crochets in each stitch around. Yarn over and 1 double crochet, yarn over and the second double crochet. Yarn over again. I make 1, 2 double crochets, then yarn over. In the next stitch I make 1, 2 double crochets, and now join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Round 3, chain 2, and now I'll continue by making 2 double crochet in each odd stitch and 1 double crochet in each even stitch. 2 double crochets into the first stitch, yarn over and 1 double crochet in next stitch, yarn over, 2 double crochet, two double crochet, yarn over and 1 double crochet, yarn over, double crochet 2 times, yarn over, 1 double crochet, yarn over, double crochet 2 times, one double crochet into the last stitch, and now I'll join with a slip stitch here. So round 3 is ready. I will continue with the pattern. Now make chain 1. It is not a half double crochet. Yarn over and into the first stitch I'll make 1 half double crochet, yarn over and second half double crochet, yarn over again. I will skip 1 stitch and into the next I will make 2 half double crochets, yarn over. I will skip 1 stitch and into the next 2 half double crochets, yarn over, skip 1 stitch and 2 half double crochets, yarn over, skip 1 stitch and 2 double crochets. yarn over, I'll skip one stitch, 2 half double crochets, yarn over, skip one stitch, and 2 half double crochets. I'll join with slip stitch. I'll make chain 1. Now for the half double crochets we have only one stitch here, and in this stitch I'll make 2 single crochets, but the single crochets should be made only on the back loop. I'll skip one stitch here, and in the next stitch I will make 2 single crochets into the back loop. So skip one stitch and 2 single crochets into the back loop. I'll finish the round with a slip stitch. I'll continue with the next round. Chain 1, yarn over. I'll make 2 half double crochets in the first stitch. 1 and 2. I'll skip one stitch and I'll make 2 half double crochets into the next. And I'll repeat this step until the end of the round. Now I'll make the last 2 half double crochets. I'll continue with the next round. Chain 1. Then in the first stitch I'll make 2 single crochets, but only on the back loop. I'll skip one stitch and I will make 2 single crochets in the next stitch, but only on the back loop. Skip one stitch, 2 single crochets, but only on the back loop. I'll skip one stitch and I'll make 2 single crochets into the next, but only on the back loop. and I'll make the last single crochets into the last stitch. And I'll join with a slip stitch here, and the next round is ready. I'll continue with the following round. Chain 1, and now yarn over, and I'll make 2 half double crochets into the first stitch. Skip 1 stitch and make 2 half double crochets into the next. Repeat this step all around. And now I'll join, and I'll continue in the next round. One chain and 2 single crochets on into the back loop of the first stitch. Skip 1 stitch and make 2 single crochets. So I continue repeating these 2 rounds. And now we'll finish the last round, and this is the round with the single crochets into the back loop. So 2 single crochets into the back loop, I'll make the last single crochets here, and I can finish the head with a slip stitch. And voila, our hat is ready. Let me know please if you like this pattern